In this video, I will show you how to check what type of RAM your Ubuntu system is using. This could be DDR3, DDR4, or DDR5. Let's begin. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T together, or you can search for terminal in your applications. Now, we need to install a tool called dmidecode. This tool helps us get information about the hardware. To install it, type this command showing on the screen. Press Enter. The system will ask for your password. Type it in and press Enter again. Once the installation is complete, we can use dmidecode to find out the RAM type. Type this command you can see on the screen. Press Enter. This command will display lines that include the word type. Look for a line that says something like type DDR4. This tells you that your system is using DDR4 RAM. If it says DDR3 or DDR5, then that's the type of RAM you have. If you want more detailed information about your RAM, you can run this command. This will show you details like the size, speed, and manufacturer of your RAM modules. That's it. You have now learned how to check the type of RAM in your Ubuntu system using the terminal. Thank you for watching this tutorial.